been about 2 to 3 weeks since I planted my sprouts, and a lot of them are doing really well, especially these two right here, petunias. Most of these in here are the cherry tomatoes, and we have one little guy from the rare petunias that came out. So what I have now is I got a plant pot that drains on the bottom, and I filled it up with dirt and then completely saturated it with water and put it on a plate because the water needs somewhere to drain, both when you're planting it and when you're taking care of it in the future. I'm making a little hole about the size of the egg carton. And then I'm going to go over to the seedling and poke around the edges to try to get it a little bit loosened up. And then we're going to carry it over to the pot. And here they are, my first 2 potted plants. This is so exciting. I can't wait to see what happens next.